Welcome back, everybody. This is Excel video 498. I'm Nate Moore. I'm talking to more and more groups who are leveraging the CMS data here at moreSolutionsInc.com, taking that physician referral data to really target, here are the 5 or here are the 10 referring physicians that ought to be sending to our practice or ought to be sending 100% of their business to our practice and aren't. They're taking advantage of that data, and I'd love to help you do the same. What I want to talk about today is a couple of more charting tricks. The first thing I want to show you is I added another table here with just the provider and the number of hypertension patients just for fun, because what I want to show you is some of the cool things you can do with charts. Last time we talked about some of the limitations of PowerView charts. Here's some of the things that you can do with charts in PowerView you can't do otherwise. For example, if I just wanted to see Dr. Beard, what I could do is I could click here and I could say, okay, I'm going to filter and see Dr. Beard. Now, it's a little bit hard to see Dr. Beard because his color is gray there. But now I'm only seeing Dr. Beard in my chart. If I go over here and I click on Jarvis, now I can see Jarvis is yellow over here, and I see Jarvis here. You can use charts to filter data. It's a clever way to make your dashboard a little more interactive and show information at the same time. So I can put a chart here and use that to help folks. You can even click the legend to help folks have a slicer and a chart at the same time. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way to show you a couple of more tricks. Second thing I want to show you is from the PowerView menu, design has the basic things we've been playing with. If you click on the layout tab, there are a couple of options, and it all depends upon which chart you have. Had I kept the pie chart up, you'd see that data labels isn't an option for a pie chart, but it is for a bar chart and a column chart. So don't get too excited about the options. I mean, the title options are you can have it none or above the chart. Those are your choices. You can move the legend around a bit. You can put the legend at the top like that, or the legend at the bottom. You got a little bit more flexibility there. And the data labels, you can show and not show the data labels. If that's helpful for you, a couple of choices there. They're from the Layout tab at once you're inside a chart, depending on the chart you have. The third thing I want to show you is I think the most interesting thing of the three. And what you can do, you'll notice that this chart looks the same as when we left last time. But what I've done, if you come over here to the axis area in the PowerView fields list, notice I've added more fields here. Underneath provider, I have location, the city, and the zip code. Now you can't see that in the chart here. So the trick is, what you can do is you can drill down in a chart so that you can see more data like this. So what I did is by double clicking, that says, okay, now I'm looking at the metro area and I'm still looking at adherence to statins and eye exam. And now I can double click again. And now I'm at the third level. I'm at city. And now I can see adherence to statins. I have a lot more patients and maybe a little bit higher ratio in Nashville than I do in Franklin. Now, the way to get up and down through this chart, notice we played with pop out and pop in last time and filter. This is new. This is drill up. So what I can do is I can drill up until that goes away, or let's double click our way down through Jarvis now, and I can double click to drill down, or this drills up. So I can go all the way down to a zip code level and see all this information here, and then all I do is drill back up. As I drill up and down, watch what happens to the chart title. So I'm looking at adherence to statins and eye exam, first by provider, and then let's go down Dr. Cherry. See how this changes to location, and now it says by city. So this chart title is tracking my drilling up and drilling down as I move around. It's a clever way to make your charts a little bit more interactive and take advantage of the real estate you have in PowerView. There are a couple of more clever things that you can do with PowerView charts. We'll talk about those in the next Excel video. Thanks for watching.